Is your DJI Osmo Pocket 1, 2, or 3 not showing the battery percentage? This usually happens because of firmware glitches, screen display issues, or connection problems with the battery handle. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the battery percentage not showing problem on your DJI Osmo Pocket. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Check battery percentage. First, turn on the camera. Now simply tap on the battery icon in the top right corner of the screen. Here you will see your camera charge percentage and also external battery handle charge percentage. Solution 2. Force restart. Press and hold the power button or record button for 5 to 10 seconds. Release and then try turning on normally. If it powers on, then check battery level. Solution 3. Reattach accessories. If using a battery handle, mic, or tripod, detach them, reattach the handle, and see if the battery percentage appears. Loose connection can prevent detection of both camera and handle batteries. Solution 4. Reset settings. Turn on the camera. Now swipe down to bring the menu options. Next, tap on settings. Then scroll all the way down. Here you will see the factory reset option. Tap on it. Then tap on confirm. Wait to reboot, and it will reset all your camera settings. Now select language. Hope your issue is fixed by now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.